What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This is your boy Hemi Life. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. As you guys can see by the title and thumbnail today, the charger over here will be getting a little bit more power, and by that I mean we are going to be changing something under the hood. So as you guys can see, this is what I have right now. Just a plain old 5.7. We got the JLT oil catch can. We got a JET throttle body. We got a JET 180 degree thermostat, AFE power cold air intake, shorty headers, and Corsa Extreme, no mufflers, no cats, and then a remote 93 tune. But after today, it's gonna look different and perform different, hopefully. I got, boom, a 6.1 SRT intake manifold, and on top of that I got a, actually before I even get to this, on top of the 6.1, they come with the injectors, so we're changing the injectors as well. Whatchamacallit, look, I'm cutting myself off. It is ported. I did send it over to Modern Muscle Extreme. I got it ported. I got the new gaskets from Modern Muscle Extreme. These Cometic or whatever, the gaskets, I heard they're the best. And then on top of that, I got a Hellcat 95mm ported throttle body. So everything on this setup is ported. 6.1 SRT intake manifold ported, Hellcat 95mm throttle body ported, new gaskets, 6.1 injectors, and yeah, I hope I can still run my catch can, maybe just cut the hoses, but I will be installing it myself. It doesn't seem too hard, and then I will be sending it over to I believe it's called Boost Controlled Performance in Livonia. They will be dyno tuning it. Yes, I finally found an all-wheel drive dyno for the charger, so it will be getting dyno tuned 93. We'll see what we could do. I'm super excited for this setup. It's gonna look better than it'll perform because it's just an intake manifold, but yeah, this is how it looks before. And let's go ahead, slap this GoPro onto my head, and let's get it. Here we go. Alright, so we are in the GoPro action now. So first thing, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off my cold air intake over here. So I'm gonna go ahead, let's get this flathead. I got all my tools over here. Just the flathead. Let's unscrew it and take it off. Just like that. And then I'm gonna come over here. It looks like a size 10, I think. Nope, 11, I think. Yep, it's an 11. Let's get the ratchet. Let's get this. I need to upgrade my tools, guys. I have my tools are not the best. So let's go ahead, loosen this up. My biggest concern is if the intake will fit with the new setup over there. So I got that loosened. Let's go ahead and unplug this. Just push and pull. Let's go ahead and unplug the throttle. Not yet. Let's do one thing at a time. Let's go ahead and unplug this. Well, I could have kept this on right here. I'm tripping. I'm doing too much, guys. Let's take it off the intake. And then this should just slide right off, as you guys see. But I got 1 and 2 screws over here holding it. Is this an 11? I think it is. Nope, it's a 10. And I would recommend putting everything back where you took it off from so you don't lose anything. So That's what I'm about to do over here. Just put it back. Just a little bit, just so it's tight and it's not going nowhere. This is not a 10, that's an 8. So just like that, we now have the tubing for my intake off. I need this. Put the screw back like I said. Alright, so we got a little bit more space to see. And okay. Alright, next we're gonna keep the throttle body on it, but I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it. Just like that. Go ahead and unplug your injectors. So you just pop the red tab up. Let me try over here, it's a little tight. Pop the red tab up, and then I believe it just, nope, you gotta, what do you do here? I think you gotta like push and pull. Yep, you push and pull. So let's go ahead, do that to all of them. I'm gonna go ahead and get my catch can out the way if it wants to come out, because this was a pain to install. Ooh, check out bumper. Alright, got one. Come back to it.
You don't want to come out.
Did I have unplugged my battery? Oh, it's too late. I'm trying to get this thing off, but it's giving me a pain in the ass right now. It was so hard to put on. Now it's so hard to take off.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Alright guys, finally got the stupid hose off for the catch can. Now I'm just gonna get right back into taking these off. We got this over here, let's get it. I find it crazy how everything is just bolts and wires, you know? Like, it's kind of freaking cool. Ooh, that's hot. It makes it easier for people like me that love working on their car to work on their car at home. Alright, now let's get the last two. There's two of them right here in the back. One on this side, one on the other side. Man, I'm so short.
Reach some guys over here on the side.
Does this move? Cause like on the 6.1, I gotta reroute it to the other side. Yeah, it looks like it moves. So that's good. All right, guys, this was the last screw. All the screws are out. I'll go ahead and get all the shit out of here. And here we go. Let's see. Oh, I'm pulling. Alright. Now it just lifts up. But let's not forget that we still have a wire back here. Where is this wire? See, I can't see it. So that's why I wanted to get this off first. Same thing, red clip. Pull it out. Alright guys, so I finally got the manifold off, and it was so hard getting that last hose off, man. That pissed me off. But I was so surprised, like I was telling you, there are no gaskets on here, and maybe that shows why it's so dirty. I kind of wiped down a little bit. I'm about to clean them all up, all around here on the head, over here the covers, make sure everything's nice and clean. I gotta change my coolant here soon. I will be changing the oil after I do this setup, and basically that's about it. I'm gonna clean everything up around here, and that's actually gonna be a wrap for today's video. So stay tuned for part 2, because this kind of did take all day. Tomorrow I will be installing the 6.1 manifold that I showed you guys, but so far it's coming along. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I hope you guys are eager to watch this part 2. So yeah, with that being said, this is gonna be a wrap. I hope you guys did enjoy, and stay tuned for part 2. I'll see you guys later.